Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to find out how you can make your phone fingerprint reader more accurate. And today we got Galaxy A50 and we're going to try these steps on this smartphone. So first we're just going to have to go on the settings, on software updates, and always check for updates, because this smartphone especially received lots of updates about that fingerprint recognition, and it makes it in the end to be a little bit more faster. For the next step, you're just gonna have to go on, let's have a look, biometrics and security. And from now on, you're gonna have to start to register your fingerprints. And the next step would be to add not one, but even 2 or 3 fingerprints for your smartphone. This will make it even faster. So we're gonna try with the first one, and let's have a look. Also, don't try, once you put your finger on the screen, to take it instantly like this. Just have to leave your fingerprint a little bit more longer to scan all that finger. Okay, we're gonna do this once, and then we're gonna add it one more time. That's it. Also, once you finish with the first fingerprint add another fingerprint. You can add even one more, like I said. This, it's a probability to make your fingerprint scanner to read your finger a little bit more faster. So like I said, add 2 or 3 fingerprints. And for the third one, I'm gonna show you also what to do. It's another easy trick, if I can say. Okay, so on this moment we got 2 fingerprints. It's done. And also, if you go on a fingerprint, you can rename it. Let's say right, because it's right 1, save it. Fingerprint 2, right 2, save it. And now you can add another fingerprint for your left finger, especially for those situations when you're busy with your right hand and you just have to unlock your phone. And that's it, the fingerprint added, done. And we're just gonna rename it like left 1, let's say. That's it. And one more easy step to do if you want to have your fingerprint a little bit faster is to add the fingerprint right out of the shower. And it doesn't have to be exactly right off the shower, but you can have a small bowl with water and just place your fingerprint right in the water, because on the many situations in everyday life you may need to unlock your phone and find that fingerprint reader isn't working when your hands are wet, especially if they start to wrinkle up. So to fix this, add your fingerprint fresh off of the shower. This new fingerprint will allow you easy unlocking regardless of your hand situation. Let's say for out of the pool, out of the shower, caught in the rain, or simply just sweating a lot, won't be an issue after that. So you just have to place your fingerprint, let's have a look, for a couple of minutes into the water and let it to wrinkle up, unless if you don't take a shower, let's say for a couple of more minutes. So we're just gonna place the fingerprint into the water. We're just gonna dry it after, and I'm gonna show you the differences between the left and right finger, so you can make an opinion how it's looking after it's getting wet. And because I keep my finger into the warm water for more than 5 minutes, the finger it's getting wrinkled a little bit. So now we can try to register one more time on the smartphone. Of course, it's gonna get a little bit slower. We hope we're gonna get there in the end. Yeah, it's a little bit more slower, and if you can see, I struggle to read my fingerprint. Okay, on 80%, 84, 88, 92, 6 and 100%. So now you can add your fingerprint just a little bit, not wet but dry it a bit on a tissue, and register one more time. And now we're gonna try to see if the fingerprint is actually a little bit faster than it was on the beginning, and we can try that before to register all those 3 fingerprints, and you can see it's a bit faster. Yeah, so these are just easy steps, tricks on how you can make your fingerprint scanner to work a little bit more faster than it was on the beginning. And like I said before, you can add 3 fingerprints on your smartphone. The first 2 can be registered only like that, normal dry finger, and the last one, because it was keeping the water for more than 5 minutes, became a little bit wrinkled, so you can register that one more time. And then you can choose if you want only 1 fingerprint with the dry finger and the second with the wet finger, I mean wrinkle, and the last one with your left finger, just in case when you're busy with your right hand. So these are just some easy steps which many of you know about them, but for those who doesn't, I hope these are helping you even more. So being said, thank you for watching. If you got more questions, please leave it in that section down below, and I'm gonna try to answer to all of you. So thank you again, and see you soon with another video.